The FlexAnalog symbol can be used to monitor an actual value from the universal relay. The FlexElement symbol is a universal comparator used to monitor any analog actual value. With these two symbols, you have the ability to compare a single analog value against a threshold or compare the net difference between two analog values. Now, there are two inputs. There's the non-inverted input, plus N, and the minus N, which is the inverted input. If you were to place the FlexAnalog only on the inverted input, the results displayed on the FlexElement would have a negative value. Now, when you're using the FlexElement, the FlexAnalog inputs must be the same. So, for example, if you were to compare the voltage between a main and a tie. As with both elements, there are three flags: the pickup, the dropout, and the operate flags. In this example, we'll show you how to hook up a single FlexAnalog and connect it to a FlexElement. So the FlexAnalog is located in I/O tokens. Select it, put it in. We'll grab the FlexElement. Now let's go ahead and configure this for a voltage. We can come in here, we can set up our levels, we can give it a name. So I was calling this VAG. We can set up our input modes, whether we want to go signed or an absolute value. We can do a level or delta if we're comparing two signals, and direction, whether we're going to go over or under. Everything is in reference to per unit as opposed to the magnitude. If we're doing a delta comparison between two, then we use this particular menu down here. So let's set it up for 1 per unit. If we go over as a level, this will be signed, then this will become active. So the idea here is once we have this connected, this is everything. So if the voltage level that's measured here, it'll be an analog value, will be displayed here as a per unit. If we redraw this, and we'll show second circuit here, where what we'll do is we'll put this on the negative side to show you the difference. Let's go back and rename this. Call it negative. Once again, it'll be I'll leave it as an over signal so we can see that, and we'll go ahead and leave it like that.